What's going on, YouTube fam? Savage Tech at you again. Some updated information on that SSUPD, for the Savage Tech in me, baby. Yeah. Alright, but anyway, jumping into this. These are some power supplies. ATX power supplies that'll fit your SSUPD Meshlicious. All right, make sure you do your due diligence. These supplies can't be no more than 170 millimeters in length. So, depends on what you got in your system. If I'm bumping up from a SFX power supply to an ATX power supply, from that 850 to 1,000 watts automatically. And if I do that, it'll probably be the EVGA or the C-Sonic. That's just me. But you do have some great power supplies. Look at this list. It's a nice list. So, I like that Revolt X, the Be Quiet. The Gigabyte is a little expensive, and it's 1,200 watts. Got a C-Sonic Prime, a thermal intake. Cool Max. Let's check out the 1300. Only thing that I see in the 1300 is that C-Sonic. You have the Prime PX and the Prime Gold. That PX is platinum. A little bump up in price, but hey, But if I'm gonna stick with that 1300 watt that I like to stick with, I'm gonna go with that C-Sonic. Feel me? Got some 1250s, sparkle, Like I said, it's 170 millimeter max. So, I'm not taking any responsibility if that list or something on that list is wrong. Check the specs for yourself. But I'm just putting it out there. At least some of the ATX power supplies that'll fit in your Meshlicious. As again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys. Savage Tech out.